Right. New Year.
They walk in, it's sort of dark in the
Good morning, just a minute, step on that cable. Looking at the camera, walk forwards, and then stop here. We can work out how many steps it is, and then just give us like a really pre-game moody look down the camera.
Right, okay. Where's my hands?
Your hands are by your side.
Right, okay, that's fine.
And if you want to fold your arms when you get there, whatever, it's fine. And what we'll do is we'll do it a couple of times at one size lens, then we'll do a close-up, and then we'll do something a bit more relaxed.
Right, okay.
But there's no wrong or right.
No, that's fine.
So if you want to just come and stand on the end position for me, I'll just get focus and. And now stay in that position. Now look down, and action. Look up. Action. And then look over that way for me. And then and action. Look at the camera. Action. And then look over that way for me, look behind your shoulder, and then look at the camera. And then look down, and then this time, when you look, give me a big smile. Action.
Oh,
so pretty.
I feel pretty. I've been told in the videos no fun. You know, get Tony out. So we need to go out.
There's no sound, so don't worry. Try again. So nice and moody.
Go away.
We need to go away, Margaret. Shall I send it up? Come on, gorgeous. Last try.
Joy, there's your mum. No, it's starting to rain. Right, smiles! Smiles, keep smiling!
Okay, guys, in your right hand, you need to hold the blank.
One more straight up!
Hey, you know something?
Johnson!
Right, guys, look over your shoulder now.
Over your left shoulder, left shoulder, left shoulder. Oh hey! Oh hey! No, not the cab. Come on! It's snowing. Love you really, one more. Done! Yeah!
Guys, those that couldn't get there, walk up, go and do that quickly. Everyone else change back.
Somebody grab the trophy!
Sure. If you can go higher, that's good because we're getting That's it. Go a little bit higher. You can, yeah, that's it. Right.
Tell me what these road signs mean as best you can. Ready, Matt?
No entry. Yeah. Queues likely. Ahead.
People riding horses. Oh, that's no clearing. Is that what it is? No, what's that one? Oh, I ain't got a clue.
That's no stopping.
Is it? Is that an army tank? And we need like an army base.
So what would it mean?
Like just be careful of army tanks.
I'm going to give you that. It's no careful of tanks
I'll
crossing.
take that.
Okay, we'll just do one more.
Mahaba.
God, in a like Macam accent. Mahaba,
Very good. Tabiona.
Tabiona,
And then this long one. Farik, Manchester City. Lasaydat fi Abu Dhabi. That's my right.
Farik, Manchester City, Lasaydat fi Abu Dhabi.
I reckon you're
I'm not
nail
going to
it.
remember that though.
Well, I'll read it.
Ah, right. Am I looking at you?
You're going to look down the camera for these ones. So the first one is Mahaba.
Mahaba,
Mahaba with a wave.
Mahaba,
Tabiona.
Tabiona,
And the long one is Farik, Manchester City. Lasaydat fi Abu Dhabi.
I'm never going to remember this. Farik, Manchester City, Lasaydat Abu Dhabi. What was the last bit?
Farik, Manchester City. Lasaydat fi Abu Dhabi.
Farik, Manchester City, Lasaydat fi Abu Dhabi.
Perfect. That's those done. Right.
It's alright, you're right.
Bill your legs. Oh, it's going to fall.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The Women's World Cup.
That was the WSL trophy.
Oh,
Jen.
I've never had that neither. Maybe this year.
That was like millimeters away.
Ready? This is it. Oh, wait there. No, wait there. Go again. What was it? Right, ready? This way? That way?
You do those slides on your knees?
Yeah. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Right, go on your knees though, right? I'll go.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Yeah. Right, scream as well now. Yeah. That's it.
I'm going to give you 30 seconds to name as many European capital cities as you can. Starting now.
London.
Yeah.
Capital cities. Is Hamburg one? No. Venice. No. Venice?
As many US states as you can.
Okay.
Go.
California, Arizona, Nevada, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Washington State, Oregon, Montana, Idaho, Florida, Texas, Georgia, New York, New Jersey, Vermont, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Tennessee.
I'm just writing them down. She knows better than me.
That was my subject.
How was your driving?
My driving? I'd say it's pretty good.
So we're going to do a quiz of some British road signs. That's what we're going to do.
Awful. I didn't say I followed instructions.
Here we go. There's 10.
Stop. No entry.
Fantastic.
We're at Ewan Fields in the Barclays Under-21 Premier League. It is Manchester City against Chelsea, and it's coming up next exclusively live here on BT Sport.
something dynamic or something everybody needs?
Keep going, guys. Come on, T. Come on, T. Red Bull's wearing off. Good pass, hands.
Sweet!
City goal scorer and equaliser, number 11, Brandon Barker.
Coming from the edge. Let's just swap here. Is that Barry? Is he?
It's 12 o'clock. Fans wanted football need to apply for tickets online, so keep a lookout on the website when the next batch are released.
Manuel, what's the latest as regards your attempts to sign Wilfried Bony?
I will answer this question and no more about that because I don't talk about rumors, about different things. We are going to replace the Álvaro Negredo because it was the decision that we take in the moment that we sell him. We'll see in December if we need another striker, we need another striker, and we are going to find which is the best player to bring here.
Aguero, Zeko, ready to come back into first team action yet?
Aguero and Seco, both of them are in the squad list for tomorrow.
What about Vincent Kompany?
Also, the three of them.